Hello and welcome back to this Scriptcase by Jamie video. Again, that is me. I am here showing you how to use Scriptcase in possibly the best ways, hopefully. And if not, well, hopefully somebody lets me know in the comments. And of course, we're always open to learn something new. Okay, so in this video series, I am showing you how awesome Scriptcase is, how fast you can create applications, and how simple it really is. And in this video, we are going to create a chart application. Ooh, so scary. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose here the order details example, and I think that looks pretty much okay. Maybe a different chart would be good. In fact, let's just change that and let's go here, for instance, with our products. Let's choose the products table. That's a good one. Okay, so within that, we choose in our localization and click the create. Oh, I took a little more time there with the selection, didn't I? So I'm sorry about that. So we could have maybe sped that up by 20-30 seconds maybe. Okay, so now we have our dimensions. So I'll add some dimensions in here. Let's say here the product name, category, and the supplier. We can move these around very easily just by dragging and dropping them, you see. And then over on the side here, let's add for the metrics our units in stock and our units on order too. Ooh, scary. Okay, let's go ahead and run that, and we see again just how awesome Scriptcase is and how simple it really is to use. And just like that, within a minute and a few seconds, you have created a chart application with important data. How easy does it get? I don't know. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.